Hi guys, I'm Audi. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to installing a few stuff on my 2017 Audi A4. Let me show you what all of this is about. We are going to install this carbon fiber engine cover. This logo doesn't come with it. You have to pull your stock one out. This stock one is use glue. I just use some 3M tape at the back of the logo. You can do whatever you want to put them on. For this engine cover, you have to pull these 4 rubbers out from your stock one. You just pull them out and then put them in. It's really easy. This is the plastic engine cover for the 2 sides. These 2 are the OEM parts, which I will put the part number in the description below. I don't think lots of cars doesn't come with this. And also this knob shifter is also the stock one with this Alcantara. This stock one you will get like this, or will just see lighter. I got the carbon fiber and Alcantara steering wheel. I want to use the knob shifter to match the steering wheel. I also have an installation video on that steering wheel. If you like, you can check it out. I will put the link in the description below. For this mirror, because I broke mine at the passenger side, when I install this dynamic turn single light, let me show you what it looks like. And I broke this mirror. Finally, I'm going to replace this. I got this only 200 Canadian dollar from China, which is also OEM parts, and the pair only need to $300 from the dealer in my town. They need to cost 1,000 Canadian dollar for only one mirror, not the pair. This is really a good deal. So right now, let's start with this engine cover first. As you can see, you only need to put them at these 4 spots, and then it will be on. Right now it looks much better. For this air intake, radiator cover, and also this ECU cover, which they all come with from ECS Tuning. And this brand is for Giago, I think. It is a Chinese brand. Now we are going to put this. I just tried to put these covers on. After I pulled these 2 pieces off at here, and then I found out this cannot put in because there is one clip at here but it doesn't have a hole, and got a screw in here. And another thing is there was a clip in here, look like this on the 2 sides. You have to pull this upper piece out first, and then this lower piece will be pulled out. And you have to broken this one, otherwise it cannot be on. Kind of hurt when I broke it. And sample all of this. Now it's on, as you can see. And the same with this side, broken this one. I just used the glue to put this one on because during the shipping this one was broken, and also this one as well, so I have to broken it again. Now this one is in. This still is much better than the smaller one. Water won't go in, and also looks much better because you don't see all of those holes. Engine bay is done. Now we are going to put this knob shifter on. It is really easy to put this one on. You only need to use the one trim removal from this side to pull it out. And as you can see, this is out. Put this one in. Now as you can see, it is on. During the winter, I found out carbon fiber or the leather, you will feel cold, but this you won't feel cold. So right now, last part, this mirror, you can just pull it out, or you can use something like this to stick it on and then pull it out. This one is out. Here got a little bit gap because last time I didn't push this LED light really in, so let me fix this as well. And you will see when this one is done, I will skip all of these steps. The mirror is on, and also the gap is gone. I also take this one off, push this in, gap is gone. Right now this engine base looks awesome. All of the carbon fiber match to each other, and these 2 cover all of these holes. So how do you guys think this new engine bay looks like? Finally, my mirrors is replaced as well. This will be end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. Please subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram as well. Thank you for your watching. I will see you next video.